got a call that their house is on fire, my house on fire. So I basically left the meeting and came home. Well, came here. That's it. Nothing. That's it. Um, I can't put it in terms of dollar value. What I can say is a case of working for 23 years. My mom would have worked for 33 years. My wife has been working for 17 years. So it's a matter of accumulating and saving and buying stuff and so on. So if you need to think about value, 23 years for me, 30 years, 30 plus years for my mother, 17, 18 years for my wife.
How do you plan on getting back on your feet on this one?
Well, I basically gotta look at, I gotta start. I gotta start over. I gotta start over. That's where it is. I can't, it's a heavy blow. But I gotta start. And I gotta start as of today.